Hello friends, welcome to my channel Programming with Diyan. So I will cover a 9 part of HTML. It is my 10th part, and in this part I will telling you the HTML links in HTML. Okay, what is HTML links? I will telling you, and I hope you enjoy this class. Enjoy. Please like this video, share, friends, and subscribe to my channel. So I will not take a long time. So let's start. I will tell you I will using a HTML link. What is HTML link? I will tell you in this class. So first of all I will erase it, then save, then go here, then first of all I will open it, then save, then refresh. Nothing is coming. So first of all you can write HTML, and first of all I will tell you the HTML link. So my topic is HTML link, so here I will also write a HTML link exactly. And now first of all here HTML link. First of all, here you can write image, and here we can write burger.jpg, and here we can write alt should be image not showing. So then save, then refresh. So my image is so bigger. So yeah, you depends. You can go to the style.css and fit him. Okay, I not fit him because it is my HTML class. Okay, here you can see it. It is my image. That it is my image is come. So here you can write like burger not. Here we can write spelling incorrect. Then save. Then refresh. So here you can see it. The image is not come. It is a HTML links. Okay, so it is not come. Here you can write any incorrect spelling. So here is not come. Okay. So my image is come, but it is the bigger. You can go to the CSS and you can depend your image and size wise you can change it. Okay. So here we can write like HTML and go down, and here you can write like here I will write HTML links. Save, refresh. So here my HTML link is come easily. So here you can write style text align should be center, and you can write anything. Here you can write color should be red. Save, refresh. So here you can see it. Easily it is come. So first of all here till him done. So now here till him done. So now here we can write like href hashtag, and here we can write like home. Copy, paste. Home, services, blog, contact. Then save, then refresh. So here is come. Then you can click on home. You can go to the top. You can click anything. You can go to the top. Here I click services. I go to the top. And here I go down, then blog, contact. Here you can see that the phone I will write here is coming. Here you can see it. It is a HTML links. Okay. Here HTML links. It is a HTML links. You can write anything from here. You can write I write home, service, blog, contact. You can write anything you will have write. Okay. So here you can see I will write HTML links, and you can style anything on HTML also. Okay. And here you can see it. I will tell you in that HTML links and HTML, and I hope you enjoy this class. Enjoy, like this video, share, friends, subscribe to my channel. Someone is not subscribing my channel, see the video but not subscribe, please subscribe. So for today, goodbye.